All right, hello, second graders. Look at the bottom of your page. You should be on page 103. 103. Okay, at the top of the page, let's say the special sounds together. F and phone, P-H, F, F, F. Cut and chorus, C-H, K, K, K. Number 1, write F or K to make a word. So we need to try each one out in order. Joseph or Joseph? Joseph, P-H. Christ or Christ? C-H, Christ. Ache or ache? C-H, ache. Dolphin or Dalkin? P-H, dolphin. Echo or echo? C-H, echo. Gopher or gopher? Gopher, P-H. All right, look at your remember box. When a root word ends with a single consonant and the vowel is short, the consonant is usually doubled before adding a suffix beginning with a vowel. So when a root word ends with a silent E, the E is usually dropped before adding the suffix beginning with a vowel. So on number 2, add suffixes to make new words. First thing let's do is let's look at all the words and find out if we have a short vowel and a consonant. Okay, so phone. All right, we got a silent E. Mark through that E. Going down the row, flap. We have a short vowel, so you're going to double that P. Go down to the next one, close. We have a silent E. You're going to mark it out. When, you have a short vowel. You're going to double the N. Go to the next row. Hot, short vowel. Mark it, short vowel. You're going to double the T. Rude, you have a silent E. Cross it out. Sneeze, you have a silent E, cross it out. You're going to drop it before you add the ED. And then the last one, hug. You have a short vowel, mark it short. You're going to double the G. Pause the video and get this done. Okay, look at your dictation at the bottom. All right, I'm going to say the word, and you write the special sound that you hear. In that first box there, you will notice there are 3 blanks. That means there's going to be 3 special sounds. The word is cranked. Crr, anked, cranked. Crr, anked, cranked. All right, your special sounds are CR, A and K, ED, cranked, cranked. Okay, moving over to the other one. Your word is golden. Golden. There are 2 special sounds. What are they? Old N. Old N. All right, look at the bottom box. I'm going to say the word and you're going to write the whole word. Be listening for long vowels. That means you need a silent letter. For root words and suffixes. Okay, so listen carefully so you don't get any of these wrong. The first one is cane. K-A-N. Cane. And there's a rule about that K sound. C comes before I. K comes before I and E. C before the other 3. A, O, U. So the word is cane. I hope you got it right. C-A-N-E, cane. Kicking, K-I-K-ing, kicking. There's also a rule about that k sound you hear in the middle of that word, K-I-K. It's a special sound that follows a short vowel. Kicking. I hope this is what you wrote. K-I-K. We have an I here, so we got to have a K. K-I. C-K follows a short vowel. K-I-K-ing. Kicking. And the last one is candy. K-and-E. Candy. Again, K comes before I and E, C before the other three, A, O, U, candy. I hope you picked a C. C-A-N-D-Y, candy. All right, flip that page over to the back. You're going to need to pause the video and go get green, yellow, blue, red crayon. Green, yellow, blue, red. Pause the video and go get your crayons. All right, if you're back with me, let's look at number 1. Use the color key to color the continent of Australia. When you are finished, you will see the states and territories of Australia. All right, so we were looking for long E's to color green, okay? I see chief. Find chief and make a green mark on it. You can go in later and color it in. What about right underneath there? Leaf. That's also green. Honey. That will also be green. Then down at the very, very bottom, the little part that's off by itself, me. Color it green as well. Okay, now we're going to look for the A sound with our yellow crayon. A sound. What about right there in the middle? Obey. Yep. And right beside it is break. I think that's all I see of that. Now get your blue crayon and we're going to look for elephant. Look over on the other side. Elk. Elk. Bread. What else? So all those will be blue. Then on the other side, we got feather and spell. Those are also going to be blue. And now for our red crayon, we have ah, claw, saal, right there at the top, the only two left. And then down at the very bottom, the only one left, stop. Did you know that green and gold are the official colors of Australia? All right, you're going to pause the video and color in this map. And then when you're finished, start it back. Okay, if you're back with me, number 2, read the story and answer the questions. This is a story about whale sharks. Do you know that the whale shark is one of the biggest fish in the ocean? They can grow up to 40 feet long. A shark that big might sound scary, but you shouldn't be afraid. These huge sharks only eat very tiny food called plankton. They would never eat you. In fact, some people even pay money to swim with these gentle giants. Would you like to join them? I don't know. So you are going to look for the declarative sentence. Those are the ones that ends with a period. You're going to look for the interrogative sentence. They end with a question mark. And you're going to look for the exclamatory sentences that end with an exclamation point and write how many of each one you find. Make sure you get that finished, and then this is the end of this lesson.